Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we'll set up Squarespace online store. Make sure to watch this video till the very end so you won't make any mistakes. So here we are on Squarespace main page. And if you are new to this platform, you'll have to create an account. In my case, I'll just simply click on Get Started to open page to create a website, but you can easily set up new account with your Gmail, or you can create a separate account. So firstly, we need to answer for the questions to make it easier to set up our website. What's your site about? Here I'm going to skip this question because in my case I'd like to set up everything a little bit later. So how would you like to get started? I would like to build a custom template with Squarespace Blueprint, or we can easily choose a professional designed website template. Sometimes it's even easier to use a template, but in this case, let's try to build a custom template with Squarespace Blueprint. So let's click on Finish. And after that, all we need to do is just simply create our website. But firstly, we need to set up our name. Let it be like Shop 1. Next, we need to build our homepage. As you can see, we have a couple of templates we can use, and I think that the first one is pretty cool. So intersection, here we can easily add the name. Maybe we'll add some images a little bit later, but we can use like 6 templates. I would like to use the first one. The next thing is like product section. So here we need to choose how will it look like. Also, we have a couple of different templates, and I think that the first one and the fourth one are really good. They are like really easy to interact with. So I'm going to use the fourth one. So why section? So let's see the services we have. Basically, I think that I would like to use this one here without any images. I'll just simply add a couple of sentences in the description, and also I will set up prices. And about section, I think that we'll move it up at the end because I want to provide some information about our shop. So let's see how can it look like. I think that this template is pretty cool, so I'd like to use the second variant. And social section, let's see what do we have here. I think that this one is really good. It's like in minimalism style. So let's click on next. We can also set up a footer section, but in my case, I don't want really to use a footer. So let's click on next. Add pages to your site. In my case, I'll just simply I'd like to use a shop page only because I don't need the about section and contact section. But if you want, you can of course set up them by yourself. You'll have to add additional information, or maybe just simply duplicate a page with about. You have like a section about, and you can duplicate it to the page. Let's click on next, and now we can choose a color palette. Basically, I think that for this style, if I would like to use the same image style, like dark colors, this one is pretty cool, but we can also try to use some other styles. Of course, we need to see our images we'd like to add. So I think that this one is really good from bold section. Let's click on next. And now we need to set up our font pairing. And basically, I think I would like to use this one here. Let's click on finish. And as you can see, all steps are quite easy to understand, quite easy to interact with. And now we have our template we created by ourselves, which is like pretty cool. We can also now personalize our homepage text faster with a Squarespace AI. So we can skip this tab, or we can click on continue to set up editing. And as you can see, we can now add some details, and Squarespace AI will write an artificial intelligence text for our website. Basically, I would like to skip this part. I would like to add it by myself a little bit later. And here we are on our dashboard. From this page, we can easily interact with design area and also with like managing our products. So let's go to selling area, and then I'd like to go to product subfolder. And here, what we need to do is we need to import or add product. So if you're going to import, we can import them from Etsy, Shopify, Big Cartel, or we can just simply upload Squarespace CSV template if you have something like this. In my case, I'll just simply click on add product, and then we need to choose a type: physical, service, download, gift card. Let's say that we'd like to send a physical product, we'd like to use it as a dropshipping stuff or something like this. So now we just simply need to fill all the fields: product name, add some images, price, stock amount, is it unlimited stock or not, and then just simply provide some more details: product name, images, inventory, fulfillment, and so on. As you can see, nothing hard. When we'll click on save in the right top corner, our product will be saved. And if you want to publish it immediately, we can also click on publish, and our product will be published. As you can see, there is no like information now, but we can easily add it a little bit later. So this is definitely the best way of how to interact with product adding. So you need to add your own products. So now you can pause video and add these products. After that, continue watching. So if you want to manage orders, you can find these orders in also like in selling and order subfolder. When you start getting orders, they will be shown up right up here. You can also find some invoicing, selling tools, and so on. As you can see, we have some more ways we can sell: use custom merch, products on Facebook and Instagram, print on demand, and so on. If you want to manage marketing stuff for email campaigns, marketing tools, and so on, we can find it in marketing area. Or we can interact with analytics on analytics, so we can find the number of visitors, find some more interactional data, and so on. If you want to add like payment methods and so on, we need to manage them on our settings. But firstly, we need to set up all the things with plans. So if you are going to use paid plans for the commercial stuff, we need to find options. So as you can see, we have Ecommerce Basic for $27 per month if you're going to pay annually, or $36 if you're going to pay monthly. And in order to use an online store stuff, online store features, I recommend you to use this plan here. So after that, your store is set up and you can easily use it to start your online business or something like this. So yeah, that's all for this video. Hope this video helped you out. Leave a like, subscribe. Goodbye.